What in the actual is SMMA?
SMMA.
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 Now the first one, of course, is SMMA.
You guys have heard the term SMMA from Iman Gadzhi, Joel Kaplan, Jordan Platt, and Thomas Gannett, and all the other degenerative neuron-burning retards on the internet who say that you can get rich quick, 90 days, if you pay for my course in full, a PIF, at $299. You're still confused. I'm gonna give it to you straight. SMMA is a trend. You are an individual. Let's say that you're a business owner. You're gonna help other individuals or other business owners make more money. That's all you do. And if you do that, then you're successful. Then you're a successful business owner. And so you, as a marketing person, your job is to help somebody else make more money. Another business, a gym, a restaurant. And that's all you do. How you do that is where all these business models come into play. You can do Facebook ads, you can do copywriting, you can do social media management, you can do posters and thumbnails and logos and all these other ways to help businesses make more money. Because if somebody has a better logo, better Facebook ads, if they have Google reviews, if they have all these optimized pieces of their component in their business, you as a digital marketing person helping them with whatever component, they'll ideally make more money. Now, the best question you have to ask yourself is, well, what's the easiest way to help them make more money? And people will argue and they'll say that Facebook ads is the easiest way to help a business make more money because you're literally putting money into a system, pushing their content to their local audience and demographic, and then by and large, they're gonna make the money directly back. The problem is you're probably 17, 18 years old, if not younger, and this whole idea is that you are smart enough to go into Facebook ad library and build out an ad campaign, which by the way, people go to college for, which you of course don't want to do because you think you're too good for college. So you decide you're going to pass it off to a media buyer, a guy from Pakistan or the Philippines. You're going to charge him $500. Then you're going to get your client to charge $2,000 and you're going to profit $1,500. It doesn't work like that. That is the definition of a get rich quick scheme. And if you can't see that, then I'm sorry, you just haven't been alive long enough. But a bunch of people will try to implant this idea that you have to work 2 hours a day, 3 hours a day, 0 hours a day. You don't even have to do anything. You just stare and money starts falling from the sky, 10K a month coming in from all different directions. It doesn't work like that. Never has, never will. Money isn't like that. If you are watching this video and you want to grab some more value, you actually want to do something with your life, you want to build a business, what I would tell you is you're on the right track. You're looking for something to improve yourself, but you've fallen for a fallacy that just simply isn't true. You're not going to get rich quick. What you need to do is help local businesses make more money. Problem with business is that people say, well, I want to make more money. I want to get to 10K a month. I want to make money. I want to retire my parents. And it's all about me. And you listen to a guy who wears glasses and you think that he's smart, and Iman Gadzhi teaches you that SMMA is the new idea for making money online, or maybe it's a school community or whatever it is. And now you feel like you can run the world. Because the new thought process is, I'm here to learn how to help other people. And I'm going to put value into the world, and I'm going to receive money because I'm exchanging value for money. And there's a whole value equation that Alex Hormozi throws up. And it's basically saying, I'm going to help somebody achieve their dream outcome, which is more money. You're going to help a business owner make more money. And how you're going to do this is Facebook ads, is copywriting, is social media marketing, is website design. It doesn't matter what you choose. You just choose one. And instead of outsourcing the work to a Pakistan Filipino, you spend from 16 years old to 20 years old or 15 years old to 20 years old learning that skill set. So by the time you are 20, by the time you're 21, you have 5 years of compounded knowledge and skill on one exact thing. And now I know you're thinking, well, dude, I just want to make money quick. I just want to make money now. You can't even do anything with the money if you made it all. If you made a bunch of money right now, what are you going to do with it? You're going to drop out of high school? Are you stupid? You're not some fucking Mark Zuckerberg. You have 5 years where you're controlled in a high school educational system. Just focus on making sure you graduate that. And while you're doing it, gain some extra skills so that when you have the option to leave at 18 years old, 19 years old, you can take that option, you can fucking run. You can go to the hills and you can say, I'm going to travel the country. I'm going to travel to Bali. I'm going to move to London. I'm going to start a med spa. I'm going to do whatever. I'm going to do some coke at a club. You can do all these options now. But if you're anything other than 20, don't. Listen to this video, comment below the word first client, or text me 315-767-3199. Look, I know you guys are really confused about this whole SMMA thing. I hope this video cleared it up. And if it didn't, that's where you got to text me. Just call me. I'll explain it. See you guys in the next one. Peace.